Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi taala wabarakatuh. So my name is AMIR by MUSA, student ID 20247458815, and today I will show you the demonstration of the chatbot that I have developed. So this is basically my chatbot interface right here, and I have host the chatbot app here. You can also try it using this link. Right, so let me show you the functionality of the chatbot first. For example, let's try this. Hello. For example, this one message. Then say that, and you can ask. For example, this one. Right, and okay, that is right. And this one. And for this one, creating the table, and see the formatting is all of the formatting is good. Now for this show history button, let me show you. This is just basically a much faster way to scroll to the text of the history. This one is the full screen button for immersion, right? And now we have the new chat button, basically a new chat right here. You can also see no chat history right now, and also like this one, right? And alright, this is it. Right, that is right. You can also add more chat, and more chat. I limit it to 5 only, right? And if we want to remove the old chat right here, just click on refresh, and it will stay. The chat with the message will stay. The chat with zero message will be deleted, right? And if I want to delete the chat too, we can, right? Like that one. Even if I refresh, okay, it stays there. All right. This is for the quiz, right? Let's try for the quiz. The right answer is this one, right? And we get the sticker right here. So when I click this one, I got the sticker. Let me show you if I got the wrong answer. LGA2011 Intel socket right here, and this one is the wrong answer. Blah blah blah. You don't get any sticker. And click on next question right here. Right. So for the recommended budget build, this one, let's try 2,600 ringgit. Scroll down. There will be the loading screen for this thing. Wait a bit. And here it is. This one, the total calculation is 2,500. We can download it as the CSV. It will show up as this one. You can download it as XLXX. Show up as this one. A much better formatting. Right. So the chat uses DeepSeek V3. The quiz uses GPT 4.1 Nano, and the recommended PC build uses the Grok 3 Mini Beta. Right. So for example, we use sticker right here. We can also check the about A.K.A.R.I. This is basically what this chatbot is about. The change log, basically all of the functionality that I have add. PC building guide is basically just PC building guide. Then we have the sticker collection, all of the sticker in the system right here. And then we have the creators GitHub, basically my own GitHub. And then let me show you something right here. Right, so this is basically the username for each session. So, and it doesn't share in between the message history right here. Like for example, I have this one, right? See, even if I click on refresh, it doesn't share, and it has other username. Right, let me show you one more using the other browser. Right, even if I click on refresh, even if the sticker doesn't share, everything doesn't share. Right, and this one has a different username. And so basically that is all. Before that, let me show you the Open Router, which is the platform that I use to call all of the API. Like for example, if I click on refresh, and it will say, see, We have used DeepSeek V3, GPT 4.1 Nano, and Grok 3 Mini Beta. Oh, before that, one more function that I forgot to show is the reset chat. Right, so basically if we reset the chat, right, and it's all gone, chat has been resetted like always. And that's all. Thank you very much.